SAP FI GL reporting. There are various GL reports that can be generated in SAP FI. The most common ones are GL Chart of Accounts List, GL Account Balances, GL Account List, GL Account Totals and Balances, GL Chart of Accounts List. Use the T code S_ELA_87012326 or in the SAP Easy Access menu. Go to Accounting Finance Accounting General Ledger Information System General Ledger Reports Master Data Chart of Accounts. A new window will open. Enter the Chart of Accounts key. Execute F8. This will open a list of all GL chart of accounts with respect to the key mentioned. GL account balances. Use the T code S_ELA_87012277 or in the SAP Easy Access menu. Go to Accounting Finance Accounting General Ledger Information System General Ledger Reports Account Balances General GL Account Balances GL Account Balances. Enter the input parameters like company code to generate GL account balances. Report. Execute. GL account list. Use the T code S_ELA_87012328 or go to the path given below. Accounting Finance Accounting General Ledger Information System General Ledger Reports Master Data GL Account List GL Account List. Enter input parameters such as company code, chart of accounts, etc. to apply filter to GL account list. Execute. GL account totals and balances. Use the T code S_ELA_87012301 or go to the path shown in the following screenshot. Enter the report input parameters such as company code, COA, etc. and click Execute. A report will be generated based on input parameters.